Hey Leo, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me last week. In this quick video, I'm going to be going over 3 things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your online website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking, why am I making this video? Well, in our research, we found that a lot of small businesses like yourself are busy taking care of your clients, your employees, and you just don't have the time to learn how the internet works. So we feel that this is the only thing that's stopping you from hiring someone. You just don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these attack plans for free so that people can implement these things on themselves. Some people call us back, some people don't. They just implement them themselves. But Leo, whatever you decide to do is totally fine with me. After this quick video, if you like to chat, just feel free to reach out. So the 3 things that we're going to talk about, one is going to be content, the other is going to be backlinks and citations. Now, content is anything on your web page that Google can read. Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, depending on the keywords. Now, a keyword is anything that you can read on the page that shows a particular service or buyer intent. Keywords are placed throughout your website so that it tells Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for on the web. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, New Jersey, you want keywords like plumber, Oceanside. You want keywords like floods, leaks. So these are important words for Google to find out exactly what you want to be found for on the web. So if I take a look at your site, I love your color scheme. Everything looks good. I like the pictures. You did a really good job on this. I like the pictures saying that exactly what you do. Scrolling, slate roofing, testimonials, picture of the family. Excellent. But as I mentioned before, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words. So if I put your website in a web counter, I see that you only have about 598 words on your website. So that is kind of bringing down your ranking just a little bit. If we go to your next competitor, Northeastern Roofing Specialists. Let's just take a look at their website pretty quickly. They have some content, some pictures right away. Okay, that looks good. They have about 488 words on their website. And we take a look at your third competitor, which is the Roofing Repair Guys in Northeastern PA. We take a look at their site. They have a fair amount of content on the website. So let's just put their page in the counter. So they have about 1,644 words on their website. So it's giving them the ability to actually implement the strategies in which I'm telling you to have keywords on your website. So these are some of the keywords that you want to be ranking for in terms of roofing. You want to have roof repair, roof replacement, roof rain gutters, roof installation, roof coating. These are so important. So the more content that you have on your site, the easier it is going to be for you to actually implement and put these words on your website so Google can start to rank you higher. If I take a look here and I see roofing repair, Northeastern Pennsylvania, and I come to the organic map pack, I see that Northeast Roofing Specialists, they're actually number 3 and organically ranking because they have about 1,600 words on their website is the Roof Repair Guys. So keep that in mind that content is so important in terms of Google and how you want to rank on your website. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to talk about is backlinks. Now, not every backlink is created equally. So what a backlink is it's a link where a website links back to your website via clickable hyperlinks. These links act as an endorsement to your website for users, which Google uses to build trust in your website. It's literally like the internet is literally like a popularity contest. The person with the most backlinks wins. So I use a paid tool called Ahrefs to check backlinks on the websites. So if I take a look at your website here, I see that you have about 100 backlinks. You have 28 organic keywords on your website, and you're getting about 24 clicks per month on your website. Okay, and if I take a look at your second competitor, which is Northeastern Roofing Specialists, I see they have about 38 backlinks, and they have about 37 organic keywords. And which is interesting is that they have 24 organic traffic going to their website, which means that the keywords that they have on their website are extremely powerful to be giving them that amount of clicks. So you want to keep that in mind. And if I go to the third competitor, the roofing repair guys, we can see that they have about 94 backlinks, and they have about 253 keywords on their website, which is giving them about 132 unique organic clicks per month on their website. So again, like I said, the more keywords that you have on your website, and if we look at your keywords here, you have about 28. These guys have about 253, which is why they are ranking #1 in the organic search for roof repair in Northeastern PA. Okay. Now, the third thing that we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about citations. Now, citation is anywhere that your name, phone number, and address appear exactly as per your Google My Business profile. So if I take a look here and I see that right here we do an organic search of roof repair Northeastern Pennsylvania, and we go down to the map pack, we see here that organically these are the guys that are showing up first. Obviously, this guy is showing up organically for roof repairs. So citations are extremely important for getting into this area of the map pack. And the way you do that, citations just basically help you rank in Google. It's extremely important for businesses since this is a huge revenue stream that you can get from there for being in that position. Your citations go up when your name, number, and address it appears in more directories than your competition. So if I take a look here and I can see, go to further businesses, I can see that you guys are somewhere on the first page, but lower. And you might be asking, okay, well, we have, 53 5-star reviews. We have a perfect rating. How come we're not on the first page? Well, the reason being that you're not on the first page is because these guys have their name in more directories than you guys do. So we need to go in to see how many directories they're in. If they're in 20 directories, we want to be in 40 directories. If they're in 50 directories, we want to be in 60 directories. So that's how we're going to outbeat these guys organically on the map pack. So in concluding, what we went over right now is we went over word counts. We want to get relevant words about on your page, about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Definitely, I would say 2,000 words of content, relevant content on your website. We also want to get quality backlinks, linking back other companies from their companies, linking back to you. And then we also want to get some more citations. We want to build up our citations so that we can show up here organically in the map pack, because if we do that, we're getting roughly 30 to 40% of the clicks that happen here, and we're getting about 70% of the clicks that happen here in the organic section. So again, listen, Leo, I hope this was helpful. You can do one of two things with this information. You can go out there and implement this stuff on your own, or you can call me back. And I'm always here to help. My number's at the bottom of the screen. I hope this was helpful. You have a great day.